April 29th, Showa Day. Following the death of Emperor Hirohito, or Emperor Showa, in 1989, Showa Day became a national holiday in 2007 to commemorate his birthday and to reflect on the history and events that took place during that period. It is the first holiday to start off Golden Week. May 3rd, Constitution Memorial Day. Constitution Memorial Day is celebrated on May 3rd, which established the current Constitution of Japan. After World War II, the Constitution of Japan was announced on November 3rd, 1946, and passed on May 3rd, 1947. Ever since, it hasn't been revised even once. It builds on three core foundations: pacifism, popular sovereignty, and fundamental human rights. The Constitution came from a reflection of a long history from the nation. May 4th, Greenery Day. Greenery Day was originally on April 29th in remembrance of Emperor Showa's love of nature. The date of the holiday was changed to May 4th in 2007. It's currently a holiday to appreciate nature and be grateful for its blessing. Since the holiday falls right before the beginning of summer, the weather is usually nice, and it's a good opportunity to explore the great nature in Okinawa. May 5th, Children's Day. As you start to feel the gentle breeze of spring, you may notice colorful fish-shaped streamers floating on the roof of houses in Japan. Carved streamers, or koinobori, are hung to celebrate the approaching Children's Day, or Kodomo no Hi holiday, on May 5th every year. The raising of carved streamers in recognition of Children's Day represents the hope for Japanese children to grow strong and prosper. Children love this holiday because they get to eat sweet kashiwa mochi cake and use the day as an excuse to ask for new toys. During the holiday season, you can see hundreds of carp streamers over the rivers during Okinawa's Oku Yambaru Koinobori Festival and Tengen River Festival.